हेलो एंड नमस्ते दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। आशा करती हूँ ठीक होंगे। मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। और कुछ दिनों पहले मेरा बर्थडे था और मेरी एक बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड ने एक सरप्राइज़ गिफ्ट भेजा मेरे लिए और मैं अनबॉक्सिंग रिकॉर्ड कर रही थी, बट रिकॉर्ड बटन ही नहीं दबाया मैंने, तो अनबॉक्सिंग तो रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ। बट द सरप्राइज़ गिफ्ट वॉज दिस ब्यूटिफुल पर्सनलाइज्ड एप्रन। मेरा नया यूट्यूब चैनल देख के वो इतनी खुश हो गई, तो उसने मेरे बर्थडे पे ये सरप्राइज़ गिफ्ट क्रिएट करके मेरे लिए भेजा। तो मैं बता नहीं सकती कि ऐसे दोस्त होते हैं जो सपोर्ट करते हैं, इनकरेज करते हैं इस तरह से। इतना अच्छा लगता है। तो आई होप आप सब लोग ठीक हो। जुलाई 4th वीकेंड पे 2 दिनों के लिए, 3 दिनों के लिए एक्चुअली हम थोड़ा बाहर गए थे घूमने के लिए, यहाँ से कुछ घंटे दूर। और मौसम इतना अच्छा था, इट वॉज वार्म वेदर एंड दिस वॉज आवर ड्राइव। आई वॉज टेकिंग शॉर्ट क्लिप्स ऑफ द कंट्री साइड। इतने हरे हरे खेत देख के इतना मज़ा आ रहा था मुझे, तो आई थॉट आईड शेयर अ फ्यू क्लिप्स विथ यू। तो बस आज हमारे ट्रिप के बारे में ही है ये व्लॉग। हमने एक एयरबीएनबी रेंट किया था, तो यहाँ पे ऐसे अपार्टमेंट कॉम्प्लेक्स में वो एयरबीएनबी था। इट वॉज अ कॉन्डो और वहाँ पे लेक बहुत पास में थे, बहुत सारे लेक थे। दिस इज़ लेक ईरी, जिसके पास हमने पूरा एक दिन गुजारा। बस यहाँ पे जाके बैठे थे पूरा दिन। जैसे समंदर जैसा ही लग रहा था, ऑल्दो इट वाज अ लेक। और जहाँ हम रुके थे वहाँ से अबाउट आवर एंड अ हाफ to 2 hour drive was this little island where we thought we should go and visit. So we drove there. The drive there was amazing, beautiful, and the island's name is Put-in Bay, and you had to take a ferry to get to the island, and we are allowed to take our vehicles on the ferry. So we took our car on the ferry and we went to the island for one whole day. And it is a very small but yet very beautiful scenic island surrounded by water. Of course, it's I think it's in Lake Erie, although I'm not sure about the lake. And these were some of the houses at the port where we were waiting to take the ferry. It was so beautiful. ऐसा दिल कर रहा था बस एक घर लेके वहाँ पे रह जाओ. And then when we got to the island, we realized we didn't even need to have our car with us. We could rent golf carts for the day and drive around the island in the golf carts. In fact, taking a car was a bad idea because there are no parking spaces available around the island. You are only allowed to park your golf carts. So we did that. We parked our car by the ferry parking and we took the golf cart and drove around the island. And so these are some of the scenes of the island itself. There are people who live there, so there are a bunch of houses, I'm sure. Some of them are vacation homes, but it was just so quaint and very cute small little town. And we did jet skiing as well over there. There are a lot of wineries to go do some wine tasting. There is also a crystal cove or a crystal cave which we wanted to go visit, but it closed at 6 p.m. and we did not have enough time to go and spend in the cave. But next time, that will be the first thing I would want to do, is visit the crystal cave. So this island is Put-in Bay, and if you ever get a chance to come to the Midwest, this is in the state of Ohio. It is beautiful. Do plan a trip there. These are some grape wines where they have the wineries, so there were a bunch of those. And now we were going back home from Put-in Bay back to where our Airbnb was. We had the condo, so we had brought some food along with us. One of the things I took with me was this amazing date cake, which I am going to share the recipe for. So here I forgot to tape this part, but I have some mashed dates that I had soaked overnight, maybe 15-20 dates with some milk, enough milk to make a paste out of it, and then I added half a cup of oil in it and made a paste. And now I am adding the other ingredients. So along with the date paste, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now you can get those medjool dates, I think they are called, or those dates that you get in even at Costco or any of the stores. You just want to soak them, 15-20 of them overnight in some milk and leave it on the counter, and the next morning they will become soft. Put the dates with the milk all in a blender and make a paste, and that is the base of the cake, and that is basically also the color. It looks like dark chocolate cake, but it isn't, and it's very, very yummy and definitely very healthy for you because of all the iron and nutritional properties of dates. And I will put the link for the recipe in the description down below, so you are welcome to check that out, and I will highly recommend you do make this cake and try it out. It is a very healthy and guilt-free version of a dessert. We ate it just by itself, no icing or anything, because it was traveling with us. I added walnuts. You can skip the nuts, you can add any nuts that you wish, you desire. Nuts go very well with the flavor of dates. So as I am preparing the batter for the cake and getting things ready, I thought, let me take a moment and chit chat with you guys. So how are you guys all doing? I hope everybody is staying safe, staying home. The numbers are going crazy for the coronavirus cases, and I'm just worried for everybody, but praying for everybody's good health and safety. I also wanted to take a moment to thank all my friends who are watching my videos, who are very diligently commenting on them and giving me the encouragement and support to put more content out. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos, to like them, and to leave lovely comments of appreciation. It means a lot to me. I really put in a lot of work in creating these videos, and you guys watching it is what makes it all worth it. I'm not getting any other benefit out of it other than seeing my numbers rise as I see, oh, a couple more people watched my video, and makes me happy. So thank you all for continuing to watch my videos, continuing to be my supporters, taking time out of your days to spend it with me. I really, really appreciate it very much. As I continue to share my videos with you, with the moments of my days and moments of my life and the recipes that I make, I just want to inspire you to do something that you love, you like. We all do the necessary things that are needed and required of us to do in our life, taking care of our families, taking care of our kids and jobs and homes. But what about you? Are you taking care of you? And I want you to give yourself the same priority as everybody else in the family, as your work, as your home, and take time to do something that you enjoy. I am truly and thoroughly enjoying making these videos. I had always wanted to do this ever since YouTube was invented, and I watch a lot of YouTube, more than TV. I watch YouTube, and I always wanted to put my content out, but I was always afraid I didn't have the right equipment, or I didn't have enough time, or I didn't have the technology knowledge, and I still don't have any of that. But I thought, if not now, when? So as I said earlier, I recently celebrated my birthday, and I turned the big 50 this year, and I am not going to live 50 more years. I have lived the longest already. Whatever time is left, if I don't grab it and do what I need to do with it right now, if not now, it will never happen. And so I had decided that I'm going to do everything that I've always wanted to do this year. And I encourage you all to do the same, to take the plunge and really go out and make yourself happy. You should be your first priority. I learned this from my sister every day. She always tells me that to make myself a priority, to make myself equally important as I have the rest of my family, and I want to encourage you all to do the same. So sit down with the paper and a pen and make a list of things that make you happy, things that you could do, things that you enjoy creating, reading, writing, going out, whatever they may be. And then one item every day. Do that. Take one item off that list and try to tell yourself, today I'm going to do X, Y, or Z. Like today I'm going to read this book because that is something that makes me happy. Today I'm going to do some crafting, learn knitting, learn to sew, whatever that may be. So please let me know in the comment below what are your hobbies and what are the things that you will be doing this week or today. Whenever you're watching this video, comment, give me a one-word comment. I'm going to read a book, or I'm going to go out for a walk, or I'm going to take care of myself and put a face mask on. Whatever that is, I want to know what you will be doing to take care of you today. Please do me a favor and leave me a comment down below. That will make me very happy. So the cake is going into the baking oven at 350 degrees for I think 35 minutes is what I put it for. And if it is not done by then, you will add a few more minutes, but I think 35 minutes is appropriate. And you will know when it is done, when the aroma of it comes out, and it's just intoxicating, heavenly, divine aroma of the cake. Any baking aroma is divine, in my opinion. So the reason I am encouraging you and inspiring you to take care of yourself is I find myself needing a push like that every now and often. I need somebody, especially my sister, to tell me, Didi, do this, Didi, do that, Didi, did you take care of yourself, did you eat? Sometimes I actually even forget to eat. That boggles my sister's mind, is how can one forget to eat? But honestly, I do forget to eat at times. That's how much we forget ourselves. And so I want you not to forget yourself. I want you to know that I love you guys. I will tell you what I am doing to take care of me and make me happy, along with making these videos and spending time editing them. Currently, I am reading a book. It is called The Human Son, written by Adrian J. Walker, and it is a fiction and it is very interesting. So let me know if you're reading a book. Let me know the name of the book that you're reading, and maybe I will put it on my reading list for next to read. I read on the Libby app that I have downloaded, and it is connected to our local library here, and there are a lot of ebooks. So this is one of the ebooks that I read on my phone. Again, its name is The Human Son. I'll try to see if I can insert a picture of it here. And these are some final clips of the day we spent in Button Bay, the lake, and the beautiful island. It was magnificent. If you ever get a chance to visit Button Bay, put it on your list of places to go. It is a really beautiful place to spend a day relaxing peacefully by the calm waters of the lake. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Please do like, subscribe, leave a lovely comment. Let me know what you will be doing today, and thank you for sharing it with your friends. I will see you all again soon. Until then, take care of my beautiful lovelies. Take care of you. I love you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you.